Let's go through the Velomingo app, which is going so viral right now. So this is like a velocity video editor app. Yeah, super easy to use. There are no like 20 buttons and tabs. Yeah, just one button in the bottom plus, and then select some video. It's not possible to use this app with photos or to attach photos together or something like that. It's very basic video editor, but it has all these amazing templates. So, and this is kind of effects you can expect from those. So yeah, some of them are just taking more time, but yeah, something like that. Okay, so something is it just depends on the effect, but there are so many of these templates. You can use them for free, which is amazing. Then you can export video also for free, which is great. Yeah, but of course, if you want the highest quality, you will need to upgrade, and if you want to remove watermark, you will need to upgrade. This is just the two things. Other than that, it works perfect, super easy to use. So there are some stuff like that, and then you can see like so many templates here. Yeah, it just takes some time. I don't know, it depends. I'm just using it right now on iPhone 7, so probably it's just a bit older iPhone, and it doesn't depend on Wi-Fi. But yeah, that's basically the idea. So something like that, effects, like some cool, very interesting effects, which you can try out, and you can see in the bottom how all of this looks like. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the effect. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm just scrolling to the right, you can see how many there are here. Then you can add music. To add music again, you need to extract it from some video. Then you can trim. You can change quality. Yeah, you can trim here, but take a note that this app is not for editing longer videos or for advanced editing. It's super basic. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and that's that. So yeah, that's basically what you do. You can upgrade to Pro, $3.99 per week, $29.99 per year. There is 3 days free trial, so you can try that with free trial. And yeah, you can export the video easily, just in the lower quality, but that quality is completely enough for TikTok or anything. So if you tap save, you can see that's that, and then you can just save to photos. It works perfectly. It's enough for a start. If you like app a lot, then you can just upgrade. So in a very short tutorial, that's how it works. Super easy to use app, really fun. So impress your followers on TikTok, Instagram Reels with this. Hope they like it.